Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I am giving you a Valentine's Day DIY as well as a little instant clean with me. This is a collab with my friend over at DIY Mama. I'll make sure I link all her information down below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you are new here. Also, give me a comment down below if you enjoyed this video and what you think about our do-it-yourself project. And don't forget to head on over to her page, Ashley. She is super sweet. I hope you enjoy both of our videos. Let's get started. I'm starting on the DIY first, and in this clip you are going to see me take everything out that I bought at Hobby Lobby today, but I did not use all of this for the DIY. I'm actually using the long stick, the pack of wood, which I'll only be using one piece. It was a 2-piece pack, and the small garland. I wasn't sure if I needed the big or the small, and so I ended up going with the small. So the only 3 things that I bought from Hobby Lobby were the wood pieces and the little garland. I got the mailbox at the Dollar Tree. Go back and look at my Dollar Tree shop with me. I ended up getting it on that day. Besides those pieces, the only other things I'll be using is some hot glue to attach the mailbox to the stick, and then I end up using a screw just to screw the 2 wood pieces together. At first I used hot glue, but that was not sturdy enough for me, so I went ahead and used a screw. So you will need some paint. I just used some white acrylic paint for this project. For a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. get to decorating this mailbox, I decided to go ahead and start on Luke's Valentine's that he is giving to his friends. We make a little bag of treats. Got these clear bags from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just putting a couple of these airheads into them, as well as a fruit by the foot roll up. Then he'll put his little Valentine's Day card that goes to each of his little buddies in it. So we are getting these put together quickly, and then I'll head on over and finish the mailbox. So what is it that you guys do for your kids' Valentine's Day parties at school? Do you do little bags like these, or just candy, or just the cards? Let me know down in the comments below, because I really want to know what other moms are doing this year. And then let me know what you're doing for your own kids, because I usually get them some candy and I make them a card. I'm going to show y'all what I do for them also in another video, but let me know down in the comments below your ideas for what you do for your kids. So the hot glue for the base did not work, so I got a screw. I screwed it through the bottom of the stand and then into the stick and just twisted it on, and it worked perfectly. So I passed using the hot glue on the base. It did work for the mailbox on the top, just not the base. Now I'm just touching up some paint. I painted the stick and the base white. Didn't worry about doing underneath on the very bottom. This is what it looks like before putting on the decorations.
Got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. To be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. They say I was broken. How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
I'm kind of just going with it as far as decorating the mailbox. I know I bought the garland to put on it, but then I decided it needed something else, so I'm just reaching down. I have a couple bags down here of Valentine's Day stuff, and I found these little hearts that I bought, and so I decided I would go ahead and hot glue those onto it. The little pink hearts I got from the Dollar Tree, they actually were picks. One pack had 7 in them. The little red heart also came from the Dollar Tree, but it was on a larger red heart, so it came off of it. But both things came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm hot gluing these to the bottom.
Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Yeah. Ooh.
last thing I decided to add to the mailbox were these little stickers that I got from Target. This whole box was, I believe, $3, and I used these for my other DIY that I did for the little topiary trees that had these little hearts in them, and I will link that video in case y'all missed it, and you can see how I did that project, and I believe it came out super cute. I love it. This is my second DIY for Valentine's Day this year. I believe this is the last thing that I put on this mailbox, and then it is finished.
We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. You were only like a friend, till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck in summer.
I also wanted to give y'all some cleaning motivation, so I am cleaning up all of my supplies and the stuff that I used to make the mailbox. We also had some dirty dishes, so I have to unload the dishwasher as well as reload it, and then I will wipe off the counters.
Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm counting hours, minutes, seconds, faster. Hurry, make it happen. Before we know it, I'll be on my way home. Yeah, we're chillin', just you and I. Every crazy summer night, baby, I am coming home. I'm coming home. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of
you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave it a thumbs up if you did. I'll have some more of my videos up on the screen for you guys in case you want to catch up on some of them. And also, don't forget to go check out my friend Ashley and her DIY Valentine's Day video. I'll have all of her information in the description box, and I'll see you next time. Bye!